Importance Friday in Islam. Friday is considered the holiest day of the week in Islam. Muslims gather for Jum'ah prayer, held just after noon, which includes a sermon, khutbah. It is obligatory for Muslim men to attend this prayer if they are not traveling. It is believed that Friday is a day of multiplied blessings and mercy from Allah. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized its significance in several hadiths, sayings, encouraging Muslims to increase their acts of worship and to send blessings upon him abundantly on this day. There is a specific time on Friday, known as the time of acceptance of dua, during which Muslims are encouraged to make supplications. It is believed that prayers made during this time are more likely to be accepted. Friday prayer serves as an opportunity for the Muslim community to come together, strengthen bonds, and receive spiritual guidance through the sermon. Fridays are meant to be days of remembrance and reflection on Allah's teachings, reinforcing faith and commitment among believers. Overall, Friday is a day of spiritual significance and communal unity in Islam, marked by congregational prayers, sermons, and increased devotion.